Hey guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to change Facebook profile picture without posting it on timeline. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, go to the Facebook application. Here tap on your profile. Go to the profile and here on profile picture tap on it and tap on the choose profile picture options. After that, here select your profile picture and at the bottom here you'll find the option of share your updates to news feed. So you have to make sure that this option should be disabled. So simply disable this option and you can tap on the top right corner to the save, and here your Facebook profile will be changed without uploading it on timeline. So here we are done. So thank you for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.